Carrot juice health benefits. Carrot juice health benefits. It has vitamin A that promotes healthy skin and eye function. It helps prevent heart disease and stroke. Good for the liver because it reduces fat. Carrot juice helps prevent blood to clot because it has vitamin K. It has also vitamin C that keeps gums healthy. Helps keep bladder, prostate, colon, and breast cancer away because it has carotene. Carrot juice also helps keep skin moisturized because it has potassium. Carrot juice provides youthful glow because of beta-carotene. And it has also helps prevent acne because carrot juice has essential oils. To make a carrot juice, you have to prepare the following: juicer or blender. For the juicer, you have to brush carrots under cold water, cut and throw away the green part, cut the ingredients according to juicer entrance, then juice. If you have your blender, you may also wash and dice carrots. Add some water to the blender and blend carrots until smooth. Transfer mixture in a container. Add 2 cups of hot water and stir. Allow mixture to stand for about 30 minutes. Strain juice and add desired amount of water. Thank you for watching my video. So for more videos, please subscribe to my channel and please comment down if you have some requests. Thank you. God bless.